Did you know there are potatoes that are purple inside, potatoes with thousands of years of history, and even one variety whose name means rat? The world of potatoes is much bigger and more interesting than most people imagine. Today, we will explore some unique potato varieties and discover what makes each one special. Number 1. Russet Potato. The russet potato is probably the potato most people recognize. It has rough brown skin and is found in kitchens and grocery stores around the world. This potato originally came from South America and later became extremely popular in the United States. It is especially famous because of its fluffy texture when cooked. The inside becomes light and soft, making it perfect for baked potatoes, mashed potatoes, and crispy French fries. Many restaurants prefer russets because their high starch content creates a crunchy outside and a soft inside. However, they are not always the best choice for dishes like potato salad because they can break apart easily when boiled. Number 2. Yukon Gold Potato. Yukon Gold is a potato famous for its beautiful golden color and smooth texture. This variety was developed in Canada and became popular because of its naturally rich, buttery taste. Even without adding butter, it has a creamy flavor that makes it stand out. It has the perfect balance between waxy and starchy potatoes, which means it works well in many recipes. You can bake it, mash it, roast it, or add it to soups. Many cooks consider Yukon Gold one of the most versatile potatoes available. Number 3. Red Potato. Red potatoes are easy to identify because of their bright red skin and white interior. Unlike russet potatoes, they contain less starch and more moisture, which helps them keep their shape after cooking. They are a great choice for soups, stews, and potato salads because they stay firm instead of becoming too soft. Their thin skin is also edible, so many people cook them without peeling. Number 4. Fingerling Potato. Fingerling potatoes have a unique long shape that makes them look different from ordinary potatoes. They come in many colors, including yellow, red, and purple. These potatoes are considered old-fashioned varieties because they have been grown for generations. Their flavor is slightly nutty and more complex than regular potatoes. Because they are small, they roast quickly and develop a crispy outside with a creamy center. A little oil and seasoning are often enough to make them delicious. Number 5. Purple Potato. Purple potatoes are one of the most eye-catching varieties because their color continues all the way inside. Their deep purple shade comes from natural pigments called anthocyanins, which are also found in foods like blueberries. These potatoes have been grown in the Andes region of South America for thousands of years. They have a slightly earthy flavor and usually keep their beautiful color even after cooking. Purple mashed potatoes are a perfect example of how food can be both healthy and visually interesting. Number 6. Sweet Potato. Although its name includes the word potato, sweet potatoes are actually from a different plant family. They are more closely related to morning glory plants than regular potatoes. Sweet potatoes have been grown for thousands of years and are loved because of their naturally sweet taste and soft texture. The orange variety is especially popular and contains many nutrients, including vitamin A. They can be used in both sweet and savory dishes. Number 7. New Potato. New potatoes are not a specific variety. They are simply potatoes harvested before they fully mature. Because they are picked early, they have thin skin, a fresh flavor, and a higher water content. Their delicate skin can easily be rubbed off, and they are usually enjoyed boiled with herbs, butter, or simple seasoning. Fresh new potatoes are often considered a seasonal treat. Number 8. Kennebec Potato. Kennebec potatoes are not as famous by name, but many people have probably eaten them. They became popular in food production because they are excellent for frying. Their high starch and low sugar content helps create crispy golden fries and chips. Farmers also like them because the plants grow strongly and handle different conditions well. Number 9. Adirondack Blue Potato. Adirondack Blue is a special potato known for its blue-purple color. Both the skin and the inside have a deep blue shade because of natural pigments. This variety was developed to combine beauty with good growing qualities. It has a mild flavor with a slightly earthy taste. Many gardeners and farmers markets love this potato because it looks amazing on a plate. Number 10. Ratte Potato. Ratte is a unique French potato with a very unusual name. The name comes from its curved shape, which resembles a small animal. Despite the strange name, it is considered a premium potato by many chefs. It has a creamy texture and a rich flavor similar to nuts. Because it keeps its shape after cooking, it is often used in elegant dishes. This potato can be difficult to find, which makes it even more special. Potatoes are much more diverse than most people realize. From colorful purple potatoes to famous cooking varieties, each type has its own history, flavor, and purpose. If you enjoyed learning about these amazing potatoes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Comment below which potato variety you would like to try next.